3M has really thrived as an American manufacturing company for 117 years. We've got about 20,000 manufacturing jobs in the U.S., and we're committed to continuing to drive manufacturing and invest in communities like Clinton to better serve our customers and the community.
2/3 of what Walmart buys today is already sourced, grown, or made in America. And we want to be good partners as we look to help all of our suppliers grow their business. Because American-made matters to our customers, it matters to Walmart.
Manufacturing is an exciting industry to be in, and it's growing. We've added over 1 million jobs since the end of the Great Recession, and we have about 500,000 open jobs in the sector today. And that's why partnerships between Walmart and 3M and other manufacturing companies is so important to drive attention to the opportunity of manufacturing.
When I was growing up, a lot of times, being in a small town, to have a good job, you had to move away. It's just very satisfying. People that want to continue to have their roots here in Clinton and Anderson County, they can do it with great jobs like this.